buddy. It's your old pal Foggy here. We're out here at Oolagall Lake. Check it out. Oh, it's a nice day. Yeah, we're on our way over to Claremore. We're gonna get some tacos at Taco Tico over there. Oh, it's nice here at the lake. Foggy sees the power plant over there. Such a pretty lake. I see some boats out there. There's a few sailboats. Some other kinds of boats too. Wonder how many miles it is across there. Loud motorcycle, isn't it? Foggy's real excited about seeing some birds today over at the bird fair in Claremore. I'm sure we won't buy anything. Well, we might buy some bird toys or something. But we'll probably just look mostly. Fun to see all the birds though.
Right onto North Lynn Riggs Boulevard. Then the destination is on your right. The destination is on your right, Taco Tico. Arrived.
Oh, we made it over here to Taco Tico. This is one of the last Taco Tico restaurants left around. Oh, hey, buddy. Yeah, we're gonna go get some tacos and all kinds of good food here. Oh, it tastes just like it used to. Oh yeah, Foggy remembers eating at Taco Tico a long time ago. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh wow, they have some great old memorabilia in this Taco Tico. Oh yeah, Foggy loves to look at this kind of stuff. Sure does bring back the memories, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Oh, let's get some salsa. Hello.
Claire Elizabeth, sit.
Oh, salsa. Yeah, that looks good. Different kinds of salsa, yeah. Oh, look at that food. Oh yeah, Foggy's gonna enjoy this. Foggy is hungry today. After we eat here, we'll be going to the bird fair. Oh yeah, good stuff. Well, here we are, Claremore Conference Center. They got a lot of birds in there. When somebody comes out the door, I can already hear them. Oh boy, we're gonna see some great birds today. We made it into the bird fair. Let's go check it out.
It's rude. It's a good question. Okay, thank
For $5 sack of these. If you want to buy extra tickets, they'll sell them to you at the admission table. If you want to buy extra.
So what do you want to do? Put them back, paid away?
They won me over because I was like not interested in the like bottom. That's what we go from all
And there's just a reminder about the tax form. Be sure to get that to me as soon as possible. The tax form, get that to me as soon as possible. As soon as possible.
Look at this one.
that in there. To the baby?
Look, I told Noah I wanted to get this one. Oh, my dad was really drunk.
Wala makikinig. Pagkaro. Coche.
Did you chew that? Yes, he did. No, don't me. All right.
I do.
I've lost the queen.
I pay you. That's the Taco
Oh, let me get a zip tie. I found zip tie.
Come on in and set the door.
Hey, we stopped by a park here in Claremore. Well, we had fun at the bird fair today. Saw a lot of pretty birds. Didn't see any of those parrotlets today, though. Saw some green-cheeked conures, Indian ringnecks, lots of big birds, too. Cockatoos, macaws, birds like that. Ooh, pretty windy out here today. It's a pretty park, though, in Claremore. Oh, look at this. It sure does echo in here. It's a little goblin hideout, I think. Hello? Hey, it's your old pal Foggy. Holly-hoo, ballyhoo. I'm getting a good workout at the park today. Oh, oh. Oh, check me out. I'm at the park. Foggy likes playing in the park. Well, I guess it's about time we head back to Bartlesville. We'll catch y'all later. Foggy out. Hey, everybody.
Hi.
Have a good one. Got the most of humans on video today. Check out those matching shirts. Is that the monkey punch? How cool is that? Foggy needs a little t-shirt with punch on it too. Oh boy. All right, see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. Hey. We stopped by a park here in Claremore. Well, we had fun at the bird fair today. Saw a lot of pretty birds. Didn't see any of those parrotlets today, though. Saw some green-cheeked conures, Indian ringnecks, lots of big birds, too.